Ever wondered how many carnivals are celebrated around the world? Well, friends, there are hundreds of them. But today, we're going to journey into the wonderful world of 20 of the most vibrant and exciting carnivals from every corner of the globe. First stop, Brazil. In the heart of Rio de Janeiro, the samba dancing flamingo takes center stage, showcasing the world-famous Rio Carnival. Bursting with music, dancing, and colorful costumes, it's a spectacle that lights up the city every February. Next, we fly over to the enchanting city of Venice, Italy. Here, a graceful swan takes us through the magical Venice Carnival. Known for its elaborate masks and elegant costumes, this carnival turns the city into a fairy tale every year. Now, we hop over to the Caribbean, where a lively steel pan drum introduces us to Trinidad and Tobago's carnival. This carnival is a burst of color, music, and dance, with steel pan bands taking the spotlight. Then, we journey to the snowy landscapes of Quebec, Canada. A jolly snowman guides us through the Quebec Winter Carnival, the world's largest winter carnival, filled with snow sculptures, ice canoe races, and the iconic Bonhomme Snowman. From the chilly north, we travel to the warm, vibrant city of New Orleans, USA. A jazzy alligator struts its stuff during the Mardi Gras, a carnival famous for its jazz music, flamboyant parades, and colorful beads. Now let's jet over to Europe, where a mischievous jester takes us through the Cologne Carnival in Germany. Known as the fifth season, this carnival is a time of fun, pranks, and laughter, with jesters and clowns ruling the streets. Next, we journey to the land of the rising sun, Japan. A delicate cherry blossom introduces us to the Omori Nebuta Matsuri, a summer festival featuring enormous lantern floats and traditional Japanese music. From there, we hop across to India, where a dancing elephant leads us through the Goa Carnival. A unique blend of Indian and Portuguese culture, this festival is a riot of color, music, and dance. Finally, we fly to the vibrant city of Sydney, Australia. A playful koala guides us through the Sydney Mardi Gras, a celebration of love and diversity, filled with parades, parties, and plenty of glitter. We've traveled the world, experienced different cultures, and seen how people celebrate life and joy in their unique ways. Each carnival, from the samba dancing flamingo in Rio to the playful koala in Sydney, has its own charm and traditions. So next time you hear the word carnival, remember our animated friends and the wonderful celebrations they represent. Who knows? You might just find yourself dancing along with them one day.